So our practice car, that's what we'll do. We just jack it up, and then we will do, we can do the front or the rears. We'll start wherever. I'm gonna start on the front or the rears, whatever's easier. Yeah, I just wanted to get, give me 1 second. I'm just gonna grab my my little cardboard one and lay down on. Give me a second. Sorry about that. Okay, let's get into it. Shoot, hey. It's a bit hot today before, so started a bit earlier, right, you know. It's not bad now. So you have a trolley jack, and then I'll grab me light. Pretty much have to jack it up. Oh, we can go under the, let it reach all the way. Let's have a look here. Let's have a look. Can't see. I'll get my light. Get my light so you can see as well. Let's have a look. Probably can just go from the side, to be honest. It's pretty easy. There you go. But if you want to do 2 wheels at a time, let's see if we can get under there. It used to be not as low. I can't even show you because, oh, there we go. So you got like this. There we go. On the side there's like the cross member, which you can just jack it up from there if you can see. Just under the steering rack, and then do that as everyone's, what is it, Monday night going, meaning Christmas. So pretty much just jack it up so front wheels are off the ground, you know. Once that's done, then I'll get into step 2. Off the ground already. Yep, they're both off the ground as you can see. See, 1 off the ground and then 2 off the ground. Okay. Now let's, we have enough battery here to, oh yeah, forgot about this. It's lugging that, eh? Gotta change it, man. BMW things. Horrible. It's like a little stud instead of a nut, you know. Your rattle gun, 17mm. Well, these are 17s. See, and now I've got to freaking do this one here, which is a bit. How you going? Let's see how we go. Get in the boot. So the boot has this thing over here. I get a new one of these as well. It's all registered. As you can see, you gotta stick and flex. The hell? Alright, 1 second. Press something.